Hello everyone, my name is Saida Zuhairi. I am a master's degree student at Grand Canyon University. Today I'm presenting this architecture that I created using Microsoft Visio for my professor Jordan Weiner. I am conducting a screen test for week 8. As illustrated in the diagram I created, it adheres precisely to the assignment specification. I established 5 departments, each equipped with multiple computers. These computers capable of handling and supporting 25 users. As depicted in the diagram, I utilized only 2 components per department. However, these components are configured uh, to connect with others via switches. Um, there are 5 switches corresponding to 5 distinct departments, categorized based on a user's demographic and geographic locations. These systems are overseen and managed by IDS and IPS, which stand for Intrusion Detection System and Intrusion Prevention System. The IDS is linked to a router, which is additionally connected to both switches. Additionally, it is linked to the management system, which provides alerts in the event of suspicious activity or data detected by the intrusion detection system. The idea is connected to both the directory server and the database server, enabling it to monitor any traffic directed towards these two sensitive systems. The concept is linked to the primary routers, as illustrated in the diagram, which in turn connects to the firewall. To distribute the load, an additional router is connected to 3 switches representing 3 distinct departments. It connects to the prevention system, while the intrusion prevention system IPS is directly linked to the firewall. Bypassing the primary routers, uh, the general device typically connects to a local network and is represented within the practical framework of the network system, primarily utilized for controlling signals within interconnected local network. The firewall functions as a security gate for network, primarily infiltrating and monitoring all data according to established policies, organizations, and the firewall possesses an activity feature that facilitates the transportation of non-threatening packages within or into the network while excluding dangerous or suspicious packages. So our switches, which are essentially computers devices within the network, are also clearly visible. This typically links devices through numerous cables, facilitating communication between network and connected devices. I will review the intrusion detection system IDS, a device or software application intended to monitor network activities to identify policy violations or unauthorized actions within a network system. The intrusion prevention system IPS, abbreviated as IPS, serves as a security measures or threat prevention technology that typically analyze all data flows comprehensively. The concept underlying this diagram is for an architect to establish a secure network that deliver optimal services. This discussion involves terminology related to security, um, primarily designed to safeguard the process information to uphold a high level of assistance and integrity against potential threats. And address any vulnerabilities. Network security comprises a collection of technologies designed to safeguard the functionality and integrity of a company's infrastructure by preventing unauthorized access and data breaches within the network. Diverse array of potential threats as evidence during our explanation. I employ the segmentation method to divide the entire diagram into manageable components to facilitate the explanation. This practice primarily involves cascading organization and layering as a segmentation security technique, creating distinct networks to manage and provide unique security controls and services to one another. I will also elucidate the proxy server, which is referenced in the terminology as workstation primarily utilized for filtering purposes. The service is typically situated in the DMZ, as I previously described, and generally operates web servers that automatically direct user traffic, thereby functioning as gateway between us and the internet. It's an, it is an intermediary server that separates the user from the website. Ralph servers provides diverse functionality and security levels, with a privacy dependent on location and shaped by organizational requirement and corporate policy. I am referring to the demilitarized zone, DMZ, a region located between two or more entities that is not administered by any of these entities. The principal aim of the DMZ is to facilitate trusted network and accessing minimally trusted zone, thus permitting the DMZ to operate as an exposed network entity. The prior company strategically locates the services at a critical juncture. A square gap exists, symbolizing a reverse space or disconnection between two unlinked systems, thereby functioning as an interface between them or one. They are not interrelated, and the logical connection is neither an automated interface nor under manual human control. The air gap, this system is geographically disconnected from the internet. There are two distinct elements. If you observe closely, a scenario may emerge here. Send a virus or an employee's laptop may become infected with a virus, which will disseminate throughout the network upon connection the following morning. This indicates that the hacker circumvented all firewalls and the intrusion prevention system. Thank you for watching and have a great evening.